Hey everybody, this is Ruben Restrepo, and it's the last video of the night, and so I'm going with the theme of 3 different videos. I'm going with just your morning video and how I'm dressed, and then I'm going with a motivational video, and then I want to do a little bit of how-to videos. And so this is my how-to video, and so let's develop our schedule. So let's go right here. What I got right here, looking for my laptop, is prioritizing A and B tasks. Now what does that mean? That means you're gonna have an A task and a B task. If you have a C task, that usually means that's not a real task, right? So A and B, those are your ones that you're gonna prioritize. Alert tasks during high energy. So do the ones that, when you have high energy that require you to be alert, that's when you do them. Right? Now, if it's just a routine task, you're listening to your podcast in your ears, go ahead and do it when you got low energy. And it's kind of low, go ahead, routine. That way, you're alert during things that really require your attention, and then when things don't really require your attention, you're still able to kind of just coast through it, and it doesn't matter that you have low energy. Avoid back-to-back meetings. If you're setting your schedule and you're just putting one meeting after the other, guess what? Meetings require a lot of thinking power and you're gonna get drained. Don't drain yourself of all your energy. Put emails, paperwork, and phone calls together. You gotta make some phone calls, put it right when you're responding to all your emails and writing out all your emails and doing any kind of paperwork. Again, routine tasks, just put them together, everything. And then put incomplete tasks to future open times. What does that mean? That means don't worry about finishing everything. You're gonna finish when you finish. It's okay. That's how you get to develop your schedule. This is Ruben Restrepo signing off. So keep watching.